All right, friends. So today I'm going to show you how to do some of your own classroom management in DIBELs. Okay, so of course I'm still happy to do it for you, but if I'm not here or you need it done right away, it's always a good idea to teach you how to fish rather than buy fish for you, right? So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I'm in the DIBELs database, and I'm going to go on to Kelleher's class because she just asked me to do something for her. So Katie, I hope that's okay. I'm going to use you. Okay, so first of all, you're going to go into, when your class is pulled up, go into My Class, and you'll see your roster here, okay? You're going to go into Add Students. Now, the first thing you should do, instead of just adding here, is check if they're in the database here. The safest way to do this is with a student ID, but you can also put it in with their last name, okay? So I'm going to go Campos. This is one of her kiddos. And if I scroll down, the student's name is Jocelyn, so I'm looking for Jocelyn Campos. And you can see she's right here. So here's the arrow. I'm going to click the arrow. That means it's taking it from the database into Katie's class, okay? So I'm going to click here, and you'll see it says in class. And then I'm going to go up here and save changes, okay? Now see, it says she's already in this database. Go ahead and save changes. Select a grade level. Oh, sorry. Let's put her in 4th grade. Save changes. Okay. And save again just to make sure. Okay, so now you can see Jocelyn's in the database. All right. Pretty easy. Now, if you can't find them here, if they're not to be found, then you go up here to add and you can add a kiddo. Okay, so like I've got another new student here. I'm going to go Melendrez Gonzalez. His first name is Emmanuel. And then a student ID you'll get from the ID database. And then you'll go grade level and then his birthday. Okay, I mean the ID database, sorry, the Aries database. Okay, so his student ID that starts with the 2 and all the zeros, the grade level, and then his birth date. And then you're going to save changes on that one as well. I'm going to do this later as I have to go into Aries and I don't want to do that on the video. But that's what you would do, save changes, okay? So when you're done with that and the kiddos are in the class, the next thing you need to make sure is done is when you're going into, click on roster again, and you will see Jocelyn. I just added her. Sorry, mouse. She's just right here, but she does not have this checked. If this is not checked, she will not show up to test. This has to be checked, and then you can always here change the user ID. Okay, so I might put J Campos. 1, let's just give it a 1, a 2, 3. Let's try 16 because it's the school year, right? And then I'm going to give her ABC1 like everybody else, all right? Then I'm going to click Save Changes. That's really all you need to do to add a student. Again, so you're going to go into Add Students. You're going to check down here first with their last name. Scroll down. If they're in this database, click the arrow that puts them in this class and save changes. If they don't come up that way, click Add. Last name, first name, student ID, grade level, and their birth date, all which you can get from Aries, and again, save changes. Then finally go back into roster, click on this, and always save changes. If you need to delete a student, all you're going to do is click this, and it's going to say you're going to drop this student. Is that okay? Click OK. And that's all you're going to do to drop a kiddo. All right. The other thing I wanted to show you is if you need to do online testing and your kids can't get into days for some reason, go to Schedule Online Assessments, and then just make sure the test is enabled for that trimester and save changes. Okay. That's how you make sure they can get into days. If for some reason it's not showing up, that's why this box is not checked. So just go into Schedule Online Assessments, check the box, save changes. I know it's a lot, but it's a video, which the whole purpose of a video is you can stop, pause, rewind, whatever you need to do. All right. Happy dibbling, folks.